I got some 7-week-old little dolls today. Yes, I do. From Choco Light and Gotti. Here we go. You, perfect little square thing, are puppy number 7. That's who you are. Let's take a better look. She's black and white. Say hi to everybody. She has the perfect little apple head. It's about as perfect as you can get. And let me put her on the scale. She weighs, whoa, 13.3. My glasses. That's 7 weeks old. 13.3 is in between 12 and 14 and a half, which puts her at about 2.75. And then we have got Bailey. He's not available. Come on. He is 15.2. 7 weeks, 15.2 is in between 14 and a half and 17. So it's about 3.25 or so. And next, certainly not least, we have got the little chocolate one. She is, get her on there. I think you're puppy number 1. No, you're not puppy number 1. You're puppy number, I don't remember, but you're the only chocolate girl that I have. So we're gonna put you on here. Probably puppy number 3. Yeah, getting old and these numbers are very difficult for me. Okay, let's try this again. We got 18.1, and you're carrying off my weight chart, little girl. 18.1 at 7 weeks. Is in between 17 and 19 and a half, which is about 3.75. Okay. All right, guys. Oops. Oops, 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 oops. They're so friendly. Somebody came over yesterday, no, 2 days ago, I'm sorry, and they were just all over them. They were all over her, actually. They are just very friendly. Not you, because they weren't really playing with you, but you would have been. It was you and you that they were playing with. Yes. It was you and you. They were looking at the little girls. You guys like it outside? Huh? You like destroying things? You like going after mama's papers? You can see their size by looking at that paper. And you can look at that cup, too. That's a bigger cup. But still, helps tell size. It puts you right in the middle of this paper. And also, if you want to make sure that I'm not lying about my predicted weights, all you have to do is go to my website, ueyshomeraisedpuppies.com, ueyshomeraisedpuppies.com, and look at their birthday, and then go on YouTube and type in that birthday on my channel, and you can see when they were born. See their little birth dates, their birth video. I always do it the day they're born. All right, say bye-bye, everybody. Bye. She is just determined. She likes this paper. Let's stand up because I think that'll be cute to watch that. Are you gonna go after that paper? Let's see what she does. Now she's not interested in it. But at least she gave me a nice side confirmation shot of her beautiful self. She is very short-legged. The black one is very short-legged and short-bodied, whereas the other girl she's short-legged and short-bodied, but a little bit longer than the black one. And the little boy, he's a perfect little square, just like the black girl. Yeah, perfect little square, little Bailey. Okay. Oh, gosh, they're going crazy now. They're going absolutely nutty. Absolutely nutty.